Okay, I think we're gonna just take the Marmotte out here for a little hover test right outside the house. So while we're in the house here, we'll hook up the battery and let's just put it in this way. Like this. Go and get our transmitter out of the box, and let's just make sure that my GoPro is actually recording what I'm looking at here. So let's see, we got my camera, and I have to look down like that, and if I look up like that, that's pretty close. Okay. So let's take this puppy outside. Let's turn on the transmitter. And get the neck strap. And put the neck strap on. Okay, take the lens cap off. And turn the transmitter on here.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning. Switch warning.
Okay, and select the Marmotte. It is. Okay, so let's see. Yes, the module's on. And let's go out here beside the house. Get some cardboard to take off. And just do a little hover test here before it gets too windy. Okay, grass is a little wet out here. Yeah, we will put this thing down right here like this, and plug it in. Okay, and let's look at my telemetry. RSI is 100, and I want to go into the angle mode. I think I am. And if I arm it, it goes on. Okay, let me get back from this a little bit. And here we go. Well, it appears to hover pretty good. Oh, it's smooth as hell. Beautiful. All right, let's turn on the recorder here. Where's the little button? Okay, now I should be recording on the DVR. Let's do that again. I got 16.4 volts on my battery. Wow. All right, it's got a lot of hang time. Oh, this is going to be a rocket ship. Oh, yes. There's that noise. It was hitting the grass. That's what that noise was. I think this is going to be a lot of drone for my beginner self here. Cool. And let's stop the recording. I think I stopped it. Unplug the battery. Turn off the radio.
Receiver still connected. Receiver still connected.
And I think that I'm really pleased with this thing. It's very quiet and very smooth. And I mean, that was just in the angle mode because I didn't want to do the acro mode right here so close to all these houses, line of sight that is. And I'm very pleased with that. So, well, it flies, and there goes the buzzer that you have 30 seconds to shut off. So we reach in here and push the button and hold it in. And that should stop that squealing. I'm not holding it in, evidently. There we go. Now I got it. There it is. Okay. Safe and sound. Put the lens cap back on it and remove the battery. And hang it back up where it belongs. There we go. So that was the long-awaited first little test flight of my new Armatan Marmotte, and tomorrow morning I'm going to go out to the model airplane field. I'm going to fly this V900, which is a 100+ mile an hour little airplane, and I'm going to take the Marmotte out there and take it for an FPV flight in acro mode. I'm also going to take this new little Tyro 79 out that I just hover tested, but I haven't flown it, and we'll play with that little thing and see how that works. So until the next time, we'll go out and take some pictures at the flying field tomorrow and let you all see how well or not that it goes. With that, take it easy. See you next time.